hello there, a croeso i'n hyngerdd byw I trwy Facebook. Welcome to my live Facebook concert, raising money for two incredible charities. Ni'n codi pres ar gyfer dau elusen pwysig ofnadwy heno, sef Tŷ Gobaith a Hospice Dewi Sant. We're raising money for two incredible charities, which are Hope House Children's Hospice and St. David's Hospice. I've got no idea who's watching. I decided to have the phone facing away because I knew I'd be distracted watching everyone. But if you're enjoying, put comments, and os ydych chi'n mwynhau, rhowch comments a liciwch a popeth a rhannwch wrth gwrs. Ac wrth gwrs, rhowch beth bynnag a gallwch chi i'r giving page sydd ar y status. Please give whatever you can to the giving page. Mae gennau amrywiaeth o gynnig i chi heno. I've got an absolute range of songs for you tonight. It's going to be about half an hour. We might go over. Who knows? Depends how much speaking I do. I've got a glass of wine. Mae gennau glas o win. Informal, mwynhau. A gobeithio bod chi yn cael drink bach ar nos Wener hefyd. I hope you're having a little drink on Friday night as well. Finally, mix o fi'n chwarae piano a chydig bach of backing tracks. It's going to be a mix of me playing the piano and singing and some backing tracks. Now, I do play the piano, but I am by any stretch of the imagination, a master at playing the piano. So I picked songs that I can play, and also that I can sing and play at the same time. So any bum notes, ignore them. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n mynd i ddechrau efo Smile, un o ffefrynnau fi. It's a very lovely song by Charlie Chaplin, made famous by Nat King Cole. I think that's the most famous recording. And dyma fersiwn fi o Smile. It's a Smile.
Up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness, although the tear may be ever so near. That's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness, although a tear may be ever so near. That's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
Diolch fawr iawn, I think that was an okay start. Mae'n mwyn a dechrau go iawn. Ddim gormod o nodau anghywir ar y piano, not too many wrong notes on the piano. But yeah, smile. A mae'n bwysig yn yr amser yma I dal I wenu. It's important in this difficult time to keep on smiling, and I love that song. Nesa, gan Cymraeg. Ac mae'r llyfr o fanna, sa'n ymwneud. Ie, gan Gymraeg pop, sgan agor y pop, Welsh pop song for you now. Again, dal efo'r thema yma o credu ac I dal I wenu a dal I obeithio am y dyfodol. Still with the theme of hope and so forth. And this is called Dal I Gredu, which is keep on hoping. It's by Gwynant Pearce and it's a bit different genre, but I hope you enjoy it. Dal I Gredu yn hwnna, can hyfryd iawn. It's a lovely song called Dal I Gredu, just keep the faith. Little word about the two charities tonight. Gair bach am y ddau elusen heno. Mae'r ddau elusen yma, dal I weithio yn galed ofnadwy yn ystod y pandemig yma. These two charities are still working so hard during this pandemic. They haven't stopped, they haven't been furloughed, they are still working, helping individuals and their families through their time of need. They depend on public donations. Maen nhw yn rhedeg oherwydd rhoddion gan y cyhoedd. Felly mae'n bwysig iawn I ni dal I rhoi pres atyn nhw. We must still support these charities during this time because all their fundraising opportunities and events have all been cancelled and they need our help more than ever. So please use the giving page that I have linked to this concert, to this live feed, and I've pretty much put it over Facebook last week, and you're probably sick of seeing it. So give whatever you can. Please rhowch be bynnag y gallwch chi i'r ddau elusen yma. Right. Now to something a little bit different. I rhywbeth chydig bach yn wahanol rwan. Dwi'n ffeindio canu clasurol to sing in an operatic way is quite difficult while playing the piano. I can't do it. Don't know why. Can't do it. Ond dwi eisiau canu rhywbeth clasurol I chi gan Schubert. I'm going to sing a little song for you by Schubert now because, as I say, singing operatically is difficult while sitting down, but I find I'm able to do a little bit of a leader for you. This is Nacht und Träume, Night and Dreams, gan Schubert. Wrth fy modd efo'r cân 'na. It's a lovely, lovely song by Schubert. I forgot to put the emails off on my iPad, so I'm just getting email after email after email with donations, so thank you so much. I've got no idea of the amounts and who's given, but diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n gweld pob un e-bost yn dod fyny, so dwi wrth y modd yn gweld hynna. Yn reiddiol, nes i roi 500, wedyn nes i fel targed, wedyn ros i fyny i 1000, ac pnaw yma ros i fyny i 1,500. This originally my target was £500. I raised it to 1,000 after 2 days. And this afternoon I raised it to 1,500. Now I think, just from the emails I've got, we've hit 1,500. But let's not stop there. Let's go to 2,000. That would be incredible if we get to £2,000. Os allwn ni gael i 2,000 o bunnoedd, so hynna'n hollol anhygoel i'r 2 elusen yma. Nesa, can hyfryd ofnadwy gan Louis Armstrong. This is What a Wonderful World. Important to stay hydrated.
I see trees of green and roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They are much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful
Diolch yn fawr iawn i bobl yn edrych mwynhau hwnna, gobeithio chi gyd. Gobeithio bod chi'n mwynhau hyd yn hyn. I hope you're enjoying yourself so far. I have a little request, a birthday shout-out. Wedi cael bach o galwad i ddeud penblwydd i rywun. Un nghyfneithar to my cousin, Mererid Jones, who is celebrating her birthday in lockdown tomorrow. Penblwydd hapus Mererid, happy birthday Mererid. Tria fwynhau dy ddiwrnod. Iechyd da. Now, to a backing track for you now, to a song from one of my favourite musicals ever, to, I think it's one of everyone's favourite musical, by Claude Michel Schoenberg, which is Les Miserables, Les Mis. This song is called Stars. And it's sung by Javert, so I'm just setting up. For some reason the Bluetooth has dropped on my speaker, but I'll just get it back for you now. Javert lives his life by the law. and this is his aria in the musical called Stars, and he looks up to the stars and wonders why everyone can't be like them. They do as they're told. Mae'r ser yn gwneud fel y maen nhw fod i, a dyma can Javet allan o Les. A gobeithio bod hyn yn gweithio rwan.
Learn, practice, and master the guitar.
Of course,
Just
YouTube
like
yn defnyddio,
electric,
felly
play along.
mae 'na
Musician
adverts
listens
bach.
as you play.
There we go.
There, out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace, and God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord, and those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. Stars in your multitudes, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the sky, you know your course and your aim. Each in your season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. And so it shall be, and so it is written, on the doorway to paradise, those who falter, those who fall, must pay the price. Lord, let me find him, that I may see him, safe behind bars. I will never rest till then. This I swear by the stars.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae'n od ofnadwy wneud cyngerdd bach heb unrhyw fath o gymeradwyaeth. It's quite odd to do it's the same to an audience without any applause or anything. So I hope it's not too awkward. Nesa, mae gennau backing track bach arall i chi. I was very fortunate to have the opportunity to record a CD over Christmas, and I finished it in Feb. The aim was to release it then in early April in order to take it to Canada with me to sell in my concerts out there. And I know I've got some friends watching from North America and Canada, so hello, hope you're well. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you guys over in Canada in the festival out there, but everything's been delayed and that's life. But this next song is on my CD. Mae'r gan nesaf yma ar fy CD i. Ac o'n i'n ffodus iawn i cael Mr Dylan Cernyw, y tylynyr o fri, i fewn i'r recordio efo fi. A dyma trefniant fo o My Little Welsh Home. This is a Dylan Cernyw, a good friend of mine, who helped me record the CD He's a harpist, he's wonderful. And he did this arrangement for me on my little Welsh home. A little bit jazzed up, which I really, really enjoy. So, dyma chi, Dylan Cernyw ar y telyn, a fi'n canu my little Welsh home.
Of my home, of the mountains where in childhood I would roam. I have dwelt 'neath southern skies where the summer never dies, but my heart is in the mountains of my own. Curbwthin bychan annwyl ar y bryn, dyma lodau dithyr cornant ar y glyn. Nid oes fel y cariad ci ar yr aelwyd unwaith fi, ond mae'n chalon yn y bwthyn ar y I can see the quiet churchyard down below, where the mountain breezes wander to and fro. But when God my soul will keep, it is there I want to sleep, with those dear old folks who loved me long
Mae gen i ddiolch mawr iawn i Dylan Cernyw am recordio hwnna i fi mwyn medru canu i chi heddiw. I've got a big thanks to give to Dylan Cernyw for recording that for me to be able to perform for you today. Yes, let's go on. Nesa, can hyfryd gan Carol Parry-Jones called, dwi'n cymysgu rhwng ieithoedd. A lovely song by Carol Parry-Jones called Adre. Can hyfryd gan Carol Parry-Jones o'r enw Adre, which means home in English. Enjoy.
Os yw'r serendi ar goll ar nos on ddi, tyr dad yr enol nolata i. Os yw'r storm yn codi dros yr waith tyr dad yr enol nolata i. Os nad yw'r wawr yn dwyn y golein i'r dydd, tyr dad yr enol nolata i. A heddiw byth am dadael y dyn yn y rhydd, tyr dad yr enol nolata i. wrth i'r boen a'i girio a rhoi'n earth i ti. Te'r dad yr nôl at hi, pan ddangos i'r byd pwy fyddi di o hyd. Te'r dad yr nôl at hi. Gad i'r bobyn golau weli di.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that one as well. Gobeithio chi fwynhau hwnna hefyd. Dwi'n gwybod bod gennau gymdogion yn gwylio. I know I've got some neighbours watching with a special bottle of bubbly. So to Emma and Ben, thank you, and thank you for your support, as always. Nesa, mae gennym ni Be My Love. This song was made famous by Mario Lanza. Now, Mario Lanza is a tenor who sings very high. I am not a tenor, and I will not be attempted to sing very high today. I will be singing it in a reasonable, manageable key. So, Hondi, Be My Love.
For no one else can end this yearning, this need that you and you alone create. And hand in hand we'll find us promised land, the dreams that you inspire with every sweet desire. Be my love, and with your kisses set me burning. One kiss is all I need to seal my fate. And hand in hand we'll find that promised land. There'll be no one but you for me eternally. If you will be my love, be my love, for no one else can end this yearning, this need that you and you alone create. Just fill my arms the way you filled my dreams, the dreams that you inspire with every sweet desire. Be my love, and with your kisses set me burning. One kiss is all I need to seal my fate. And hand in hand we'll find that promised land. There'll be no one but you for me eternally. If you will be my love.
Yeah, Be My Love gan Brodsky and Vanna. That was Be My Love by Brodsky. please dwi dal I weld yr e-byst yn dod mewn. I'm still seeing these emails coming in. They're a bit distracting, but it's kind of giving me hope and making me extremely happy to see people that are actually giving money to these two incredible charities. And I want to raise as much money as possible. We shall codi gymaint o arian as I phosib. Felly, please rhowch be bynnag y gallwch chi. Anything you have, anything you can give in this difficult time to these two charities. Now, another little backing track for you. It's a song by Elvis, actually. I love this song so much, and I found this backing track online, and it's much better than I can play. It's an acoustic guitar. We are heading towards the end, by the way, so if you're getting a bit bored, we are not far from it. Dyma, I Can't Help Falling in Love with You.
Wise men say only fools rush in, for I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows gently to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows gently to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Gobeithio bych chi'n mwynhau hyn hyn. Da ni hyd at can ola ond un. We're to the penultimate song now. This song is also on my CD, which will be out, who knows when, but hopefully soon. Bydd y CD allan rhywbryd yn y dyfodol, dyw a wyr pryd. Ond gobeithio newch chi fwynhau beth sgan ni ar hyn y bryd ydy medru rhoi cerddoriaeth o adre i'ch tu chi. Of course, the album isn't out yet, but the best I can do is give some music from my home to yours, so I hope you're enjoying it. Now, this next song is called The Impossible Dream. It's a very famous song, and in musical theatre terms, for a baritone, it's just a staple. Wrth y modd efo'r can yma. Felly, dyma The Impossible Dream, efo backing track hyfryd yma.
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go, to right the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow the star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I'd only be true to this glorious quest, and my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And the world will be better for this, that one man scorned and covered with scars still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable star. And I know if I'd only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And the world will be better for this, that one man scorned and covered with scars still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable star.
This is my final song rwan. Ymlaen i'r gan ola yma rwan am heno. Gobeithio bych chi wedi mwynhau. I hope you've enjoyed. It's a bit difficult, it's a bit weird sending a concert from home, a lot of learning curves, and if I do it again, I know what not to do next time and what to do. But I've enjoyed it, and I hope you've enjoyed it at home as well. Dwi'n eisiau anghofio am y rheswm dwi'n neud hyn heno. The reason I'm doing this tonight is to raise money for Hope House Children's Hospice and for St David's Hospice. Dwi'n neud hyn heno ar gyfer codi arian ac ymwybyddiaeth am y ddau elusen pwysig yma. Felly rhowch be bynnag y gallwch chi. I'm seeing the emails come in. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. It will make a big difference. Diolch yn galon i chi. On to my final song now. From a very, very well-known Welsh composer and a good friend of mine, Mr. Robert Arwyn. Robert Arwyn is a very, very well-known composer here in Wales and throughout the world, actually, because he writes such beautiful music. And this song, in particular, has become very famous, sung all over the world, actually, and recorded by many, many different artists. Mae'r gan yma, mae pawb yn nabod y gan yma, gan Robert Arwyn, ffrind annwyl i fi, ac hefyd sydd wedi sgwennu can ar gyfer fi ar gyfer CD, felly rhaid chi brynu CD i glywed hwnna. Ond y gan yma dwi am canu rwan, sef Anfonaf Angel. I'm going to sing Anfonaf Angel for you now. Diolch I bawb sydd wedi gwylio heno. Please, liciwch, rhowch comments, criticise if you want. Why not? I need to learn some. Ac diolch yn fawr iawn. Fydd o ar gael ar YouTube ac dwi'n meddwl Facebook wedyn. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Anfonaf Angel. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am cefnogi heno. Ar hyn o bryd o beth dwi'n gweld, dyn ni wedi codi hyd at 1,700 o bunnoedd sy'n hollol anhygoel. I feddwl bod 500 pint oedd target greiddiol. To think that £500 was my original target, at the moment we've hit 1,700. And actually, it takes about 5-10 minutes for donations to come through onto the website. So I'm hoping it's more than that. Diolch o galon I chi am eich cyffordd chi ac gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau. I hope you've enjoyed and thank you very much. And keep giving. They need our help. Let's get to 2,000. That would be wonderful. Diolch fawr iawn. A iechyd da. Dech chi isio un arall? I can give you one more. Un arall? Okay. Hyn is di gael diflasu cerwch I fwynhau eich nos Wener. One final song. Haven't necessarily prepared this one, but let's give it a go. It's a song that's been played many times to support the NHS recently. Mae'n gan sy'n wedi cael ei chwarae yn aml iawn mwyn codi ymwybyddiaeth am yr NHS, sef Somewhere Over the Rainbow. A hwn ydy'r un o'na, achos dwi isio bwyd. Dwi'n bit eto. Haven't eaten yet, so I want some food. Diolch yn iawn.
Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, and trouble fall like way above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Why then, oh why? Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up with the clouds are far behind me. When troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney top, that's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, birds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh, why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I?
Gyda'i live audience bach rhan tu allan. Diolch yn fawr iawn a daliwch i roi. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Please keep giving. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Diolch.